As a junior developer, you may be wondering what employers look for in a candidate and how to apply for jobs when you don't meet all of the requirements. Understanding what your skill set is and how it applies to the requirements for any job is a great skill to have. So you should ask yourself, what do employers look for in a candidate? Number 1, potential. First and foremost, hiring managers are looking for potential. We often find that projects that we have, they have underlying tech that maybe isn't in our skill set that we have to learn really quickly on the fly. I always look for people who are willing to learn, who are able to learn quickly, and who will help others as well. Number 2, passion. Hiring managers are looking for a passion and an interest in programming. You don't want to be the type of person who's in it just for the money, although that can be like your starting point, but you probably don't want to stay there. You have to be interested in programming and coding, in learning new languages and concepts, having personal projects, having a portfolio, even if you don't have experience yet. If you have done a personal project like a portfolio site, which I have a video on that, that is a really good sign to hiring managers because it shows that you went out of your way to learn on your own time. I wouldn't suggest that all of the time, but it is an excellent way to start and to show your passion for coding. And number 3, programming concepts. Another thing that hiring managers are looking for is a strong foundation in programming concepts. This includes, like algorithms, querying, and standard technical approaches. Even if you don't have experience in a particular skill set, as long as you have the programming concepts down, then you can really learn just about any tech stack, any language. So that is a very important thing that hiring managers, including myself, look for in people that may not have that much experience. Now let's talk a little bit about applying for jobs. Very few candidates will actually meet 100% of the job requirements, so in your application, you should focus on the skills that you do have and not mention the skills that you don't have. Stay positive. When you're writing your cover letter, if applicable, be sure to highlight why you're interested in the position and what skills you can bring to the table. Be sure to mention any personal projects or community projects that you have participated in, what you learned, and how it went overall. This is also a good place to mention any skills that you might not have. However, you can mention how you plan to learn them. During the interview, be honest about your experience and your willingness to learn. Talk about what skills you have, what skills you don't, and how you will learn them. Reiterate all of that from your cover letter. Hiring managers really, really like people who are self-aware and don't act like they know everything. None of us know everything. We all have to learn continuously. Tech is changing all of the time. Finally, be sure to ask questions. We don't like when people don't ask any questions. You have to research the company, research the hiring team, and come prepared with questions about the actual job, their processes internally, the working culture. That one is very, very important, but always be sure to come prepared to an interview and ask questions. You can learn more about this topic in my Tech Career newsletter. This newsletter will give you insight into multiple stages of your career so that you can form your career plan, overcome learning blockers, and stay competitive in today's crowded job market. You'll get featured content from authors and influencers in my network to help you navigate your career
and learn new skills. Visit Hoffstech.com/newsletter to subscribe and set yourself up for career success.
What questions do you have about applying for jobs in tech? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.